Hello guys. So ayan, nandito ako sa market today here sa Carmen. Ayan, ato ning i-promote, charot, promote kay kisa may itong mga viewers. So ayan, I'm going to buy some vegetables. So this, guys, I will introduce to you the vegetables here in the Philippines, in Carmen Market. So this is the puso, the heart. Oh my God. Oh, binuksan na niya ang aking heart. She opened my heart. We'll go on. Oh, ayan. This is the, ano tawag sa English? Heart of the puso, banana. Puso ng saging. And this is the Bombay. How much is the puso?
20 pesos.
20 pesos each. How about the Bombay?
20 per
20 per plate, small plate. And tapos kini siya, how about the onion?
20.
Also. 20, all this one also 20.
This one is 5 pesos.
5 pesos.
And 10 pesos.
And
Those 10 pesos.
okay. Ayusin natin. The garlic also is 20 pesos, guys. So, as you can notice, Bombay or onion is very expensive in the Philippines. And this one, we can buy 5 pesos. No, pwede 5 pesos. And that one, this is the gabi or sinigang. Cabbage. Sweet potato, and this is pako, guys, organic. This is from the it's nice for salad. Alugbati, the tendera is here na. Are you single? No. Double. Only this one is single. So, who's interested to my friend? She's my friend, guys. Actually, she's my classmate from high school. From high school. From high school, and then she married, and then the husband passed away. And now she's alone here, doing a business in the market. I'm so happy that she have a business in the market, guys. So, someday I can interview her in my live stream. So, how about this one? How much?
20 pesos.
20, and the other one is same. 20 each. So, this is, so, kanang personal question naman taan eh. I'm going deep to the personal question. About how many kids you have?
I have 5 kids.
5 kids? Oh. No boyfriend, no boyfriend. Focus on the kids, no? Focus on the kids because, the life in the Philippines is very hard. If you focus on the boys na naman, a boys, boyfriend. So, are you willing to have a foreigner?
Willing.
What is the criteria of the foreigner that you like?
Mabait, honest, mapagmahal, loving.
So, honest, loving, and then, of course, kind. So, how about if he is kuripot? Are you okay if he is kuripot?
Di masyado.
She will be okay if the foreigner is not so much kuripot. Okay. So, how much is the expenses in the household? Kaya, halimbawa ka ng, ang balay ba, halimbawa, ang weekly budget in your household.
Weekly? 1,500, bro?
Oh, 1,500 per week. The budget, how many kids? Ay, tulog.
5.
5 kids, okay. So, yun na, guys. So, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for accept sa interview because lots of people are very interested to know about the life here in the province. She's a single mother struggling, but she's having a business here. So, this is the lumpia wrapper. Also, white lumpia wrapper and then the yellow lumpia wrapper. So, if you are given a chance, if you have someone, charot, if you can find someone, which do you prefer, foreigner or Pinoy?
Foreigner.
Why foreigner?
Sawa na sa Pinoy.
Yes, she said she's tired of Pinoy because everybody is gives promises only. Promises, and everything is broken. Damay na ni. Okay. So, okay guys. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much. And then I'm going to buy a vegetable here. Okay?